Alright, so it has come to my attention that some of you do not know how to make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich, so I'm here to make your lives 100 million times better. Alright, so first things first, I heard that some of you guys put peanut butter on one side, jelly on the other side, and then put it together. You're wrong. Just want to get that out there. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is, my dad taught me this. I used to spread peanut butter first. I used to be blind too, but he opened me up to the jelly ways. So basically, I know this, to a lot of you, this is going to be like super freaking weird, but spread your jelly first. It is so much easier to spread. You get it everywhere, and you will thank Morgan Freeman for everything he has done for our community. Honestly. So I'm kind of like spreading at a weird angle because my tripod's in my face, but just believe me, you're going to have such a better time. Alright. Now, personally, I'm not a perfectionist, but some of you guys can spread it everywhere. I don't really freaking care. Alright. But you want to do the same thing to both sides. So, a main problem with you guys with the have and havers is that the bread doesn't taste the same on both sides. And you may be asking, like, Diego, it doesn't... Yes, you can. But no. The bread tastes different. And even in your mouth, you can taste the difference. Even when you smush it together a lot. Just trust me. You will be saying Hamdulillah for 12 minutes straight after you eat the sandwich. Alright. So we're done with the jelly. And we want the bread. And then my mom just got home. Alright. And then you take your peanut butter. And then I like a crap ton of peanut butter. So you guys can go light or whatever. But you take your peanut butter. And then look at this. You have never seen an easier spread job in your life. I am telling you guys. Spreading alone will feel like... And then you do the same for the other side. And then this is the part you've all been waiting for. And then you put it together. Oh my god. Alright, and then get ready for this. So now you have this, like, disgusting thing, right? But, look. And then that way, you get mostly peanut butter. Like, literally 99% peanut butter inside the jar. And if you did it the other way, where you spread peanut butter first, your jelly jar is going to be full of so much peanut butter that you're going to want to not use the jelly, alright? Just trust me. This is the superior method. And thank you for watching my TEDx. Thank you.